Welcome to HeyGen Academy. If you've ever wanted to create a digital version of yourself or design a completely new AI character, you can do it all in just a few steps with HeyGen's AI Avatar Designer. Let's get started. From the HeyGen menu, navigate to Avatars and click Create Avatar. In the Create Your Avatar window, hover over Create a Virtual Character and select Design with AI. Now describe your avatar's look. In the Basics section, enter information such as name, age, gender, and ethnicity. Then move to the Appearance section to add your avatar prompt. Here you can describe how your avatar should look, or click Try a Sample to use one of HeyGen's sample prompts to get started quickly. Once your description is ready, choose your avatar's orientation, pose, and style. When everything looks good, click Generate Preview. HeyGen will provide you with a few sample avatars. If you're not happy with the results, you can generate again or edit prompt. Otherwise, click Save. You'll be asked to select a voice for your avatar. You can choose a voice from your existing library, clone voice, or design a new voice. Alternatively, you can let HeyGen automatically select one for you by clicking on Cancel. Once you've confirmed your voice, HeyGen will generate your new avatar and add it to your avatar library. And that's it. You've just designed a completely custom AI avatar created from your ideas refined by HeyGen's AI. Now you can bring your new avatar into any project, personalize its look further, or start using it in your next HeyGen video. For more tutorials and creative tips, keep exploring HeyGen Academy.